one more thing, please be very clear, this chewing gum also is directly related to inner chattering. People who are in the habit of chewing gums continuously, you will see that they will be deeply depressed. Depression and chewing gum are very closely connected. Let it be very clear. No, I am not making fun, I am telling the truth. I am telling the truth because when you can't handle your inner chattering, you want some way to relax. And same way the biting the nails, expressing your violence. You are expressing your violence because the finger and the nail and the teeth, they both are directly connected to violence. When you are an animal, you use your nails and the teeth to express your violence. Now you are cultured, you can't bite anybody. Somebody will sue you. You can't bite others. You can't scratch others. So what to do? Bite your own nails. It's an indirect way of expressing your violence. Chewing gum is directly related to inner chattering. Your tongue movement also is directly related to inner chattering. Eyeball movements are directly related to inner chattering. If you are using only these two eyes, let it be very clear, constantly your eyeballs are moving and thoughts are raising in your inner space. You can't do anything. You can see in your life, the moment you see a rose flower, immediately you get the thought, oh, this is beautiful. Next, all the memories about roses are kindled. At some point, the roses which you gave to somebody, whether that person rejected it or accepted it, the memory about that person and how it has affected you, all these things will start raising in you and you will simply forget the real rose which is in front of you. You will not be enjoying the real rose which is in front of you. One more thing, the moment you label, the moment a thought comes, this is the rose, immediately you start thinking about the rose. You miss that very flower itself, the beauty, the very flower. You simply forget about it. You don't enjoy that flower anymore. You start thinking, verbalizing about that flower. All your memories related to roses will come up. You will be sitting and talking within yourself about all these things. Let you be very clear. The moment you start creating words in you, you stop enjoying the flower. You stop enjoying it. You are no more connected to the flower. The flower is there, but you are thinking about something else.